Hello guys, my name is Nikhil, and if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that bell icon. So guys, in the last video I had show you how you can unlock extreme FPS by editing your device build prop. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock extreme FPS along with 90 FPS by just installing this Magisk module. But first let me show you, I'm using Redmi Note 5 Pro. So you can see Redmi Note 5 Pro, and I have installed custom ROM along with custom kernel. You can see that. Now let me show you on which setting I am right now able to play PUBG Mobile. So guys, see, right now I can play only at high FPS. So how to get extreme FPS along with 90 FPS? You just need to flash this Magisk module in your Magisk manager. I will share the file at my Telegram channel, so make sure you download the file from there. So now click on plus icon, and now you have to install this module. I will share two modules. If one not work, try the other module. And guys, a big thanks to both the developers who have created this module for us to unlock extreme FPS. So after that you have to reboot your device. So guys, after the reboot, go to your settings and check whether the model number changed or not. So guys, in my case the model number is changed now. Now it's time to open your PUBG Mobile and check the graphic settings. So now guys, check your graphic settings. Go to your settings, now graphic, boom guys. You can see that extreme FPS is unlocked along with 90 FPS, which is gifted by OnePlus to their OnePlus devices. So guys, you can use 90 FPS if your device supports 90 Hz refreshing rate. Otherwise you don't need to use that, use extreme option only. And along this you can also unlock ultra sound pack. You can see that. So guys, hope you like my work, and if this things works for you, make sure you hit that like button and also comment down below in the video. So stay tuned for more updates. See you guys in the next one.